Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Math Olympiad question. So let's start. What is the question here? What is the weight of the empty box in kilogram? Given a box and four similar balls weighed 7.6 kg. Ratna added two more such balls and five identical bowling pins into the box and the total weight became 14.2 kg. Each ball weighed 3 times as much as bowling pin. So read the question carefully and understand it what they given, what we have to find it. We have to find what is the weight of the empty box. So let's see how to solve this problem. Weight of box plus 4 similar balls equals to 7.6 kg. Weight of box plus 6 balls plus 5 bowling pins equals to 14.2 kg. Let's assume that weight of one ball equals to B. Weight of one bowling pin equals to P. Since each ball weighs 3 times as much as bowling pin. So B equals to 3P. We know weight of 6 balls equals to 6B. The value of B is 3P. 6 multiplied by 3P equals to 18P. Weight of box plus 6 balls plus 5 bowling pins equals to 14.2 kg. Weight of box plus 6 balls weight is 18p plus 5p equals to 14.2 kg. Weight of box plus 18p plus 5p equals to 23p equals to 14.2 kg. Let's find the weight of 4 balls. Weight of 4 balls equals to 4b. 4 multiplied by 3p equals to 12p. Because we know b equals to 3p. So 4 multiplied by 3p equals to 12p. Weight of box plus 4 balls equals to 7.6 kg. Weight of box plus 12p equals to 7.6 kg. Now subtract this equation from weight of box plus 23p equals to 14.2 kg. 23p minus 12p equals to 14.2 kg minus 7.6 kg. We'll get 23 minus 12 is 11p. 14.2 minus 7.6 is 6.6. So 11p equals to 6.6 kg. P equals to 6.6 divided by 11. P equals to 0.6 kg. Weight of one bowling pin. We assumed actually that bowling pin is P. Now find the weight of box. Weight of box plus 12p equals to 7.6 kg. Weight of box plus 12 multiplied by 0.6 because we know the value of P equals to 0.6 equals to 7.6 kg. Weight of box plus 7.2 equals to 7.6 kg. Weight of box equals to 7.6 minus 7.2. Weight of box equals to 0.4 kg. To recap, let's take a quick look at the entire solution one more time. Watch till the end to see how I solve this math problem. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.